Welcome again. Video tutorial on CISA exam. Today's testing concept, understanding risk. The objective of this video is to simplify the meaning of risk. Risk is foundation of many concepts that ISACA attempts to test in CISA exam. In this video, we will understand the concept of risk in a simplified manner. So, what is risk? Big question. Business Dictionary says risk is a situation involving exposure to danger. Another dictionary says risk is a combination of probability of an event and its consequences. ISO says it's potential that a given threat will exploit the vulnerability. Again, ISO 31000 says its effect of uncertainty on objectives. One more definition. Probability of something happening multiplied by the resulting cost or benefit if it does. Okay, so confused? Don't worry, we will simplify this same in our next slide. If you observe, almost every definition speaks directly or indirectly about the two terms. One is probability. Other is impact. So now what is risk? Probability and impact coming together will constitute a risk. In simplest form, risk is a product of probability and impact. Other way of looking into risk is in terms of threat and vulnerability. Again here, presence of both is required to constitute a risk. So threat, vulnerability. We want both to come together to constitute a risk. So to make the thing simple, risk is equal to probability into impact, that is R is equal to P into I, or risk is equal to threat into vulnerability, that is R is equal to T into V. Risk is equal to probability into impact, or risk is equal to threat into vulnerability. This is the simplest definition of the term risk. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please visit datainfosec.blogspot.in.